Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. To love and be loved is everything. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Love is the strongest force the world possesses. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. The best proof of love is trust. Love is when the other person's happiness is your happiness. Love is like the wind. You can't see it, but you can feel it. Love conquers all. Love is blind. All you need is love. Love is never wrong. Love is a better teacher than duty. Love all, trust a few. Love is a promise. Love is a souvenir. Love is the beauty of the soul. Where there is love, there is life. Love is a game that two can play. There is no remedy for love, but to love more. Love is the irresistible desire to be desired. Love is an endless mystery. If I know what love is, it is because of you. Love is the beginning of everything. Love is composed of a single soul in two bodies. First love is only a little foolishness. Love is when the soul starts to sing. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Love is a journey, not a destination. You call it madness, but I call it love. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his hat. A simple I love you means more than money. Love is not what you say, love is what you do. Love makes everything lovely. We accept the love we think we deserve. Love is not something you find, love finds you. Love is the only reality. Love is a better teacher than duty. Love all, trust a few. Love is a promise. Love is a souvenir.